Our strengths are in how quickly we can get young people from having very disrupted experiences to becoming settled. How quickly we can get young people back into education and beginning to achieve. How quickly we can get young people to enjoy achieving and want to achieve. And the great strength we have is in the relationships that we have with young people. We build relationships quickly. We build relationships with their parents. We have the parents into the centre. We have the young people out of the centre. We have parents, but refinding the attachments that they have that somehow just got a little bit distorted with all the difficulties that were around. We've got a great depth and strength in our staff team. It's a very highly qualified staff team.
My experience of Secure Services is one that's been incredibly positive because they've taken a boy who had in excess of 40 plus charges in 8 months, and in a little over 6 months have turned him into somebody who I've found out in the last 2 days will be sitting his standard grade maths. He's only in 3rd year, he's not even 15 yet. So I think that speaks for itself.
I think one of the major strengths of this service is that they have found a unique way to balance the responsibilities to keep young people safe and to keep others safe with the responsibilities to provide care and support. The whole ethos and culture of the place is based upon young people being able to establish very strong and very positive relationships with staff members.
Basically, Howden Hall, I think not only helped Chantel, it's actually saved the family from falling apart. I have got Chantel's got 2 younger siblings who, their home life was completely disrupted. It was daily police visits, it was constant. And Chantel being in here, it's not only kept Chantel safe, it's also got some normality back home, and it's actually let us sort of build the family back up at home. So when Chantel comes home, she is going to be coming back to a stable, a family who have accepted what she's done in the past, and we know it's been in the past. But I think if it wasn't for Chantel coming into Howden Hall, I think not only had Chantel would probably be God knows where at the moment, but I think maybe there'd be breakdown at family and at home as well.
But do you think overall being here has been a positive thing?
It helps you.
It has for me.
It helps you a bit. Well, people say
it does help you. It helps you get back into routine and that.
Some people say it helps, but some people it doesn't help at all.
It's helped me get back into routine and be more responsible.
It's helped me.
Respectful.
It's helped me get on with my family and stop being aggressive and demanding everything.
The staff see a difference in you as well, so.
I remember the first day I came in here, I was really aggressive.
When you get trust, that's when it's good, because when you get trust and you get to do most everything. So.
Good question. How important the work we do here is. I guess it depends who you ask. We provide a service to young people and families. They're at the centre of everything we do. So the families, I think some of the parents that you'll talk to later will say they find the work incredibly important. The young people themselves will say that they feel the benefit of being here and being able to start achieving again. For ourselves as professionals in Edinburgh, it's about keeping communities safe, so we'll see an importance to that. If you're asking me personally, I think the work is about helping young people move from very, very difficult experiences into experiences where they can begin to flourish, begin to thrive, begin to learn and take things from here that they can take into their adult life. I can't think of something that's more important for a young person beginning to achieve and moving on from a difficult experience to one where they can begin to take those benefits forward.
They have been the facilitators in Kieran's recovery and progress, and I would say that they saved my life and Kieran's life. If he hadn't entered Guthrie when he had, I couldn't honestly say where Kieran and I would have ended up at as a mother and son and as individuals. They allowed the rifts that had grown between Kieran and I to heal a great deal.